to all of you. The WCL family extends its warm welcome to respected PM Prasad sir, Chairman Coal India Limited, and respected Vinay Ranjan sir, Director HR. Both of them have joined virtually in this seminar. WCL family also extends its warm welcome to Srimati Santosh Madam, DDG Ministry of Coal, Government of India. We also welcome respected J.P. Dwivedi sir, CMD WCL. We also heartily welcome Brajesh Kumar Tripathi sir, IRSC, CBO, CIL. We also welcome our security advisor, A.K. Pateria sir, he is ex-IPS and senior advisor security with CIL. And I also welcome respected A.K. Singh sir, Director Technical Operations. I also welcome Vikram Ghosh sir, Director Finance, WCL. I also welcome Anandji Prasad sir, DTPNP. My hearty welcome to all the HODs present here, all the HODs who have come from various areas, respected ladies, and all the security organization, and some of the cyber experts who have joined today with us, and some professors from various institutes who are with us. Warm welcome to all of you, all present here, and it is very good to see that we are making a history by having a first ever security seminar or workshop of 2 days with WCL. It's my great pleasure to welcome because it is under the dynamic leadership of our chairman, respected J.P. Dwivedi sir, who has guided us in doing all these activities which are going on. And I am very proud to say that this is first ever in all the subsidiaries of Coal India Limited, and for that matter I think in all PSUs, that so many initiatives have been taken with regard to security. It's my personal experience that when we were working with South Eastern Coalfields Limited, there were many issues of security in which respected A.K. Pateria sir, who used to visit there frequently and used to guide us. So as a project general manager, we have made some systems there which have now become a prototype in the company, and large handling of things which without man intervention. So the transparency was increased there. So Pateria sir is here, he will be guiding us in these 2 days, and he has got vast experience in these all type of security issues, threats, and its proper implementation. In today's evolving landscape, security is no longer just a necessity, it's a fundamental pillar of operational efficiency and national resilience. Public sector undertaking really plays crucial role in economic development, infrastructure and public welfare. However, there are also prime targets for various security threats ranging from cyber threats and physical breaches. Our prime aim is to protect our property properly and avoid any loss to the company. There are many incidences in which public sector loses its property because of improper security management. And here, when I joined as Director Personnel, I have seen so many initiatives taken already, and they were in force with a real sense of getting something out of it, and the security personnel are trained with all the possible equipments and the facilities so that they can protect our mines and the property around our mines areas. And really it was good to see that initiative taken by Dr. Vikram Malhan, who is heading our security. So I was very much impressed with all these initiatives, And that's why we are discussing the matter with the respected CMD sir, and he has always given me a free hand to do whatever is best for the company, and so that we can improve the security standards of WCL as a whole, and in turn the model can be replicated in all the subsidiaries of our CIL, so that the security concerns of all the companies along with CIL are answered in a structured way. And for that many SOPs have been made, and a compendium which is very like a research PhD research thesis that I was reading yesterday. So that can be uploaded on the website of CIL, so that all the subsidiaries and their security departments and all the others who are related to the security can take advantage of all the SOPs, and that can be again improvised or improved on a year-to-year basis, adding some insights from our experiences, and it can be made a very foolproof kind of security manual. And for that, again, I would like to congratulate these total security team of Western Coalfields Limited, who have come up with all such good initiatives, and that is going to help our company, CIL and nation as a whole in the future years. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.